I appreciate you've been asked a lot about Harry Wilson today, Craig, but I think every single one of us breathed a sigh of relief. There was a slight injury scare, but he's good to go. I know every single player is important, but
of course,
to have him on the pitch, how relieved were you as well?
Listen, you're right to ask that question the way you have as well, because the quality he's shown this season as well. It's been a real standout year for him. A player we've always believed had the potential to have this type of season. So for us, if he can carry on that form and just show really, just be consistent in the way he's played for us. And, you know, in my time of being head coach, if he's able to do that again, you know, it gives you a great chance of winning games. So fingers crossed the weekend he comes through and he's able to show the consistency he has for us and contribute the way he has in the last, 16 games I've had. He's been top. So hopefully he maintains that as well.
There'll be more time to, of course, talk about Bosnia in more depth next week, but what can you tell us about them? Because they pushed Austria all the way in their group. I know you're a huge admirer of Austria as well, so it's a tough group.
Yeah.
How do you feel about facing them?
It's a tough game. It's a really tough game. The quality of players they have, the age as well of the players. They're a young team. They have one or two real experienced players, but they're mobile, they're energetic, and they have ability. A lot, like 90%, 95% of their players are at top clubs, exposed to Champions League football as well. So this is a good team, really good team. But watching them in their group, it was a tough group. They were really in a tough group. They could have won that group. They were 20 minutes away from winning it. But they could have finished fourth as well. It was, so you see really big strengths off them, but you see weaknesses as well. And I'm sure they would say the same for us. We have to be nothing short of our best to beat these. Because if it isn't on a day, this team's good enough to go and win. So, am I prepared? Of course. But the simple part of it is it has to be hard because the price is so great. So, yeah, it's going to be a tough game.
What would your message be to the fans, though? Because, you know, we've had the euphoria. We've also had the heartbreak. What would your message to the fans be? Just enjoy it. Just enjoy. Turn up like you've been turning up. And please bring that excitement as well like you have been. Because you feed off it. It's normal too. I don't want any disappointments. You know, that ball goes astray or we lose that duel. I don't want to hear it. I want to need it up all the time. Now we have to contribute to that, of course. We know that. There'll be moments in the game where momentum might not be with us. It has to be with you. We can't lose momentum with you. Decision might not go our way. You still have to be upbeat. And you've shown down the years, and they have shown down the years, they know these games. They know these games better than me. They know the moments we're going to need them. Better than, as I'm asking now, they know it. So just bring what you bring. Don't change. And that's going to be a big help because being at home, knowing what we have, gives us a real strong chance. So just do what you've been doing because we're going to need it.